Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixTech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in and link your Twitch account to your Xbox One. This is relatively easy. We want to go up to the top and go to Settings right here. Then go on down to Account and go to the right and go to Linked Social Accounts. Then select this. You can see I'm connected with Discord and Steam already. Now what I want to do is go on over to where it says Twitch and then go to Link right here on the bottom. Now it's going to open up a web browser where we can go to twitch.com and we can sign in with our username and then password, and then we can simply go to login and then we'll be signed in to Twitch. Now if we go on back and go to account and go to link social accounts, it says link on mobile. Linking your social accounts is easier on mobile. Use this QR code to download the Xbox app, or if you have it already, send a notification to your phone. So once you're connected and linked there, you can download the Twitch application on your Xbox. Now that you have the Twitch application open, you can also sign in via this application. So you can go to sign in right here on the top, and then you can just go to twitch.tv/activate on your computer or your phone, and then just type in this code or scan the QR code and you should be logged in and you won't have to type in your username or password. Then to start broadcasting, you can just go over to broadcast right here on the top and you should be able to live stream from your Xbox One now. So hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Did leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech out videos coming up next on YourSixTech.